quick mini clicks haul. So I'm still on Ariel, guys. Like I've told you guys so many times, this is my favorite soap. So whenever it's on special, I do pick it up. Yeah, so this was from 160 to 130, 3 kg. So it was a good price. And for my intimate cleanser, this is what I use. Nature Fresh Herbal. I like this. Like I never get any irritation. If I have already some irritation, this takes that away. So please give it a try. Give this a try. I've tried forgot this other brand, but I don't want to mention it also. Yeah, that one was just not for me. And they say water is best, but really this once you on this, you wouldn't want to use water after that. I'm telling you guys. So I buy two. I actually started just by buying for myself alone, and I saw it was finishing so quickly. And after some time, my daughter told me, Mama, this thing is very good. So yeah, so one is for her, one is for me, this one is rooibos, and this one is tea tree. Both of them, like, guys, let's just read through it. You see, there's no perfume, no alcohol, no harsh chemicals. Yeah, so I like it a lot. So the one that we have, it's finished now. I think I've been using this for more than a year now. It's just, guys, I hardly share everything that I buy, but now I feel like I'm gonna start doing that. Like, really, that's a content that you guys like. Yeah, so this is a handy multi-purpose wipers. I like to have them all. Also picked up steel wool. It was 19 rand. And let me finish with this sunlight. I got two. It was two for the it was two for some special. Forgot now. Also got this brain health great testing omega-3 and omega-3 vitamins and minerals. So it's two inside, one bottle it's omega-3, one bottle it's vitamins, and this will last me for 60 days because it's 60 inside. And crash guard also. Yeah, guys, so that's it. So that's my mini clicks haul. Thank you so much for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another clicks shopping haul. So guys, I went to clicks today. Okay, I am short of cleaning stuff, but I went to clicks especially for this canvas. It said you buy 3 for 100 rand. So right now I made a mistake. I don't know what happened. You see, when you're going with the kids, one was left somehow. So this two is actually 100 rand for two because I didn't pick up 3. So tomorrow I will go back and give them back. So I will get 3 for that 100 rand. The special is still there up until I think 19th of September. Yeah. So decided to buy Omo. I don't know when was the last I used Omo. Yeah. So I said, let me try the Omo this time since it also has canvas inside. Hopefully, yeah, I haven't tried Omo for some time, but I've seen people trying Omo, and yeah, so I'm just giving it a try. You guys know which soap I prefer, but you know what they say, unbeatable stain remover. Maybe it would just surprise me. So yeah, I pick up Omo this time. It was also on sale. I think it was 160. Okay guys, I'll just write the prices here on the screen. And then I also pick up 2 domestics. It was also on special. Also like this shampoo and conditioner 2-in-1. I prefer this one. Like really, I just feel like it just makes sense. And I also, you know, just to avoid having so many bottles in the shower, 2-in-1 is better. Also handy this one. I picked up bubble bath. Pick up Umo Tuenyone, guys. This I have to have it for my little one. I feel like I'm not sure what Umo Tuenyone is for what, But the main reason I buy it is that when he's constipated or there's something wrong with his stomach, like if he's not regular going to the toilet, I give him this and it always helps. Yeah, like, yeah, he's been drinking this since he was a baby. So I'm really not sure what exactly this mochwenyoni, like when it comes to Zulu. Like, okay, right now it's written it's an anti-acid, right? But I think there's more to it than, I don't know, guys, I don't know, you tell me in Zulu why people like to give umotwenyoni, but I've explained my reason, right? And then coconut, I've shared this, I think I shared this in one of the grocery haul. Yeah, and this aqueous cream, I saw someone, they said it's nice for whatever in skin problems, but I didn't get the one with the vitamin E, so I picked up this. Yeah, and yeah, I also picked up this one is actually for, it's not for me, I bought it for someone who asked me. Yeah, I must buy for them. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know, I don't know if it is as good as yeah, but it's for a baby. And then I got 2 lemon sunlight. I got 2 sunlight liquid. Was also going for a special. I told you about these 3. It will go back. Always buy wipers still just for the car. Must have them in the car. My son picked up this. Yo, I'm telling you, going with kids. My daughter picked up this, and my son picked up this. I have no idea, but I think, yeah, I don't know. And also picked up sprinkles. Yeah, that's it, guys. And if I can tell you the price of this alone, like, it's surprisingly, like, this, there's no food, but yeah. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching.